people do the main content. Shit.
Boy, now you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope. 'Cause you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a lot of stuff to do today. I'm moving into my apartment. The good thing about this move is that I'm not moving a lot of stuff. The bad thing is I'm going to buy all new furniture. Watch this video to the end. Thank you. First things first, we have to go get the money order. So yeah, come along with me while I go get this money order and take it to the apartment. We're ready to go move, and now I gotta go get the money order, and I can do it at Kroger, I think. So yeah, we're about to go to Kroger right now. Okay, you guys, so I just got a box, and I'm gonna take this home and put all my stuff in there. I'm not gonna take this with me to the apartment, but go home and grab some other stuff that I can take with me in my car, and go to the apartment, get them the money order, get the keys, and go get some cleaning supplies. I'm at Walmart. I'm trying to pick out cleaning supplies. Window cleaner. Okay.
Drop, baby, baby, drop, baby, don't drop. Drop, baby, baby, drop, baby, don't drop. Drop, baby, baby, drop, baby, don't drop. Drop, baby, baby, drop, baby, make me walk. Would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, why want you to regret it? Tell me now, I need you to declare it. I walk, baby, baby, drop, baby, don't drop. Drop, baby, baby, drop, baby, don't drop. Drop, baby, baby, drop, baby, don't drop. Drop, baby, baby, drop, baby, make me walk. Baby, 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 drop, baby, 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 drop, baby, 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 would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, why want you to regret it? Tell me now, I need you to declare it. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Yeah, babe.
I kind of went on a brand page. I've emptied out my drawers. All drawers are empty.
It's all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Weirdo. Get it wet, put it up for my seeds. No cure for the IG disease. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. Bitch, watch your mouth. Bitch, stay in your place. Bitch, get out the way. My bitch on your LQK. Yeah, no disrespect. The nigga be tripping, but we love, yeah. Swapping out calls on my bitch.
I gotta put my phone on charge for real quick because my phone was on like 2%, you guys. But this is how much I've gotten done. I'm about to put my clothes in that was on the hangers in trash bags, and then I've emptied out closet. That box is completely full. These drawers are empty, but yeah, we're getting there. Look at this look at the mess. Guys, I have my car packed and my brother is helping me. This is going on YouTube. And we're like 9 minutes away from the apartment. So
Still red like a
big bitch. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. Bitches even wanna start fake beef. Just get a little weave in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb, they ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta purchase some law. So fuck being tame, I'd rather be wild. Bitches is bendy, they wanna be down. Soon as
Yes. We made it. We made it. Yup, I moved in a bunch of shit. Tired and hungry and starving. And I don't think I can function, clean, or do anything without putting some food in my system. I'm glad and happy that I was able to move into my apartment. Yeah, I love her. She's adorable. I'm gonna take you guys on a mini tour. So, and once you come in, this is like the little like AC unit. And then here's like the key holder, jacket, whatever shoes. Yeah, I love the island. Nice kitchens. It's big, lots of space, lots of drawers, lots of cabinets. And then here's the living room. And then we're gonna go to the bedroom. That's the bedroom. And then on this side, you can come out from here as well. Here's the bathroom. Nice and spacious. And then here is the closet. And then I'm gonna take you guys outside. Here's outside. So nice, so pretty, and I have the view of the pool, so yeah. Hungry. Hangry. I'm hangry.
Water on me like the sun, song, carrots, some pointers, all these commas, I want fun, me go gunners out the we got it all, fuck a front up, nigga, cake on me, no funnel, cash, drop top feeling like Johnny,
Okay, honestly, it's been a long ass day. I'm a stressful one, but tell me why. Tell me why my mom made me pay rent. You'd be like, damn, that's pretty cute though. Here's a little 1K. I'm gonna be good though. I'm gonna be straight. But anyway, we're back to it. I literally took out all the clothes from the trash bag. And now I'm trying to like figure out how I want it to face, how I want it to go. I think I want my tops, like shirts, jackets in the top, and then skirts and shorts in the bottom.
to your baby, I'm sliding, I'm happy with my women, I'm deciding, call me to your baby, I'm sliding, first things first, let me get that introduction, we on the long road to self-destruction, you so in love, you ain't gon' tell me nothing, let me get this clear, cause I had no idea, feel a bit too much, feel a bit too much, let's get naughty, yeah, I need all y'all, feel a bit too much, feel a bit too much, yeah, let's party, yeah, I need all first things first, let me get that intro.
Guys, I'm shopping at Target right now. I can't record a lot because I barely have space, but I'm gonna just show you a few things that I'm getting. I think that's really cute for my bathroom since I'm going with like a gold, white, pink theme. I'm at Kroger right now. I had to get a bunch of groceries. I still have like a few more shit to get, but hey. Porcelain, no. I usually get this one, but the maple brown sugar is so good. I don't think they have it. Oh, it's right here. They don't have it. You guys. I just came to get some hangers, a scale for my bathroom, some hooks, and a trolley to like carry stuff, you know, to my apartment. Cause yeah, I'm not doing all that. I just bought a bunch of groceries. I'm trying to look for a drill, the power drill. Those are quite expensive. Let's see. And this is everything I got. I got this much stuff, you guys. And I ordered some stuff for my bathroom on Amazon. And I ordered my bed and mattress. Okay, so first I have to clean the fridge. I have to clean the fridge and wipe it down. Look at that nasty stuff, whatever that is over there. That's disgusting. But yeah, I have to clean the fridge, wipe it down, and then put all the groceries away.
Come home to me. Come home to me. But you're not understanding. No. Baby, please. Please. Wanted you to raise my mind. I got the key. I just figured you could make time for me. Since you're coming home intoxicated. Picture me rolling through downtown in the A4. Picture my signature on a pair of some J4s. Picture me caring what niggas saying on Wi-Fi they don't pay for. Knew I needed love, but I think I value the hate more. To push towards things that I pray for. Retrograde energy shifts are what I was made for. Don't you dare hit me back with no case, sure. Soon as I tell you that you the one I would wait for. You too saucy, too flossy. You moved in and moved off me. All the people niggas who just starting to move bossy. Maybe I just handled you too softly. Them boys got no police in their blood. If your whole heart wasn't in it, I know a piece of it was. Most of that pic you sent me, it wasn't recent enough. How I'm supposed to wife it, you not Aisha enough. You love getting teed up, love showing the case, you know that they eat it up. Love touching the road as soon as it's heating up. Invited you over, you say that you showing up. All them spelling mistakes, I know that you drunk as fuck. All them other mistakes, let's let it be what it was. Yeah.
I got this organizer thing for under my sink. Show y'all what it looks like.
Wanted you to raise my mind. I got the keys. Since you coming home intoxicated.
Okay, guys, I used a lot of like tags and I put them on it. It looks so good. It looks nice and cute and organized.